Transrail Lighting is an interesting stock. Sector-wise, growth-wise, order book, even valuation. Don't let the name fool you. Transrail isn't about lights. It's a transmission and distribution player. They make electric poles, conductors, and even install them for clients. EPC work basically. After green energy's dream run for few years, transmission might be the next big theme. Because in India, power isn't a luxury anymore. It's a necessity. Our government plans to spend 9 lakh crores over the next 8 years under the National Electricity Plan. And Transrail is ready. Their management is guiding for 30% growth with margin expansion thanks to backward integration. They have an order book of 15,000 crores. That's more than 3 years of revenue visibility. Now here's the interesting part. Over 50% of their orders come from overseas, especially Africa, funded by multilateral agencies where payments are faster and working capital cycles are shorter. But here's the catch. Bangladesh, politically unstable and become distant from India, but it's a key area for Transrail. That's probably why, despite its high growth potential, the stock still trades at 27-time earnings. The good news? They're cutting down Bangladesh exposure fast. Details are in the captions. Have you heard of Transrail? Comment below and share this with someone tracking power stocks.